Right guys, here I am. I'm walking down to the beach now for you to take some of this beautiful snapshot of this beach that we're staying at. So the sea's quite far out now. It's coming in slowly though. So it goes, it's quite a big beach as you can see. There's lots of midges around. Lots of midges. But yeah, it's been a really nice day today as well. We've been just playing in the sea. It's been quite hot as well. So yeah, it's been quite nice, quite nice. So I'm just going to take you down for a little walk to the sea edge, I think, because the beach is nice and quiet now. So I thought I'd just grab 5 minutes after the kiddies had finished their dinner. Well, they've just finished their dinner and they're just chilling out in the lodge that we're staying in. So I thought, why not do a little video for you guys to show you where we are. So excuse the bumpy camera action. Oops. Okay, here we go. So, just walking through this beautiful sand. The sand's quite nice actually. There's not a lot of rubbish on this beach either. Ooh. Just saw my legs there, lovely. There we go, look at that. Isn't it beautiful, guys? As I said, the sea's quite far out at the moment, but it's quite a nice beach. I'll have to tell you the truth. It's a nice beach. Quiet, you know, it's very rural. I don't know if you can see me. Hello. Oh, I've got a doggy coming up to me. Hello. You want me to fire a stone? Okay, there we go. Whee! Oh, is that a sign? They're gorgeous. Hello, hello. Yes, lots of doggies. Lots of sea doggies.
Yeah, they love
you don't mind me filming them, do you?
No, of course not.
No, they're very cute, very cute.
No, they're not camera shy.
So yes, here we are. Beautiful sea. Oh, doggy's still trying to follow me there. I must admit, I do miss having Princess because I used to bring her here in the evenings for her little evening walk. So I'm just going to take a bit. As you can see, we are staying over there. Whoops, can you see, guys? Just over there somewhere, but not in the caravans. We're staying in a lodge this time. But last year we were staying in one of them ones over there. But yeah, so it's right on the beachfront actually. Excuse the no makeup and the sandy hair. Oh gosh, yes. Look a right mess, but it's so peaceful down here. I absolutely love it. And yeah, Rio's not too keen on the different what's the word? The different scenery. That's the word. We've all got brain fog here. We've got these little things here, so I'm just going to sit and just let you admire the beautiful sea waves. It's so peaceful. So you can see it's starting to come in now, this sea. This will all be underwater in a few hours time. So yeah, really nice, really nice. Definitely what the soul needs is to have a change of scene. It's really good for us spiritually, mentally, all of that. So yeah. I have been doing a bit of cross stitch today. I've been working on the 14 count summer cross stitch, and I started my AB diamond painting from One Day Saving, the one with the cardinals and the sunflowers. That was good. I'm working on getting on all the ABs on there first. There's quite a lot, to be honest with you, quite a few, and it's a really tiny drill area as well, so having to really focus and doing it in the right lighting. Yeah, those clouds are looking a bit murky now, aren't they? It's coming up to, what is the time, about 8 o'clock-ish here in the UK now, about 8, half 8, something like that in the evening. So yes, but I know Sweet Tea loves the beach, and so does Diamond Grandma, and it's a very special place, isn't it, the beach? So I thought I would just film for you guys this beautiful view and bring you on a little walk with me. A little, yeah, just a little walk of my happy place here. So met a lovely lady today, a lovely family. In fact, I think she said that her brother-in-law owns the place we're staying at. So yeah, it's really lovely. Really enjoying our stay. And yeah, it's always great to be right next to the beach. Just going to see if I can get a better angle. There we go, that's a bit better. Sat down and I just seen there's so much of this dry seaweed around the place. Obviously we're at a beach, so there's going to be seaweed, but yeah, look, all dried out, lots of seaweed, lots and lots of seaweed here. So yeah, sand is really lovely as well. It's not too stony. There are some stones, but it's not that bad. But yeah, there's just loads of the stuff, loads of seaweed everywhere. Someone's obviously left their bucket behind. Is that a bucket or half a bucket even? So yeah, lots of seaweed. So it's all starting to come in now. Last year when we were walking along here late at night, we could actually see some dolphins out there swimming along, and seals. I think we saw a few seals as well. But yeah, it's nice, isn't it? Hope you're enjoying this little scenic route of the beach. Lovely. Pure heaven, pure heaven. Anyway guys, I hope you've enjoyed this little video of me at the lovely beach. Yes, please like, subscribe, share, comment down below, follow me on TikTok and Instagram, Crazy Porgy's Diamond Art, and hit that little notification bell which will notify you of my future video uploads. And yeah, look, isn't it just pure heaven? Pure heaven. I could sit here listening to those waves all day long. They are just gorgeous. There we go. Take care, God bless, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye for now guys. Bye.